Welcome back to our social class. In the previous class, we learned about equatorial forest. You know very well about location of the equatorial forest, climate of the equatorial forest, plant life, wildlife, human life, and agriculture. We discussed last week these points. Once recollect all the points of last class. Location of the equatorial forest. It is located near the equator line. Children, equatorial forest located near the equator line between Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. Okay? And climate in this area throughout the year hot and humid, and days and nights are equal duration. In this area, days and nights are duration is equal. Okay? And plant life. In this area receives heavy rains. And plants also heavy. Luxuriant plants. Luxuriant growth. Luxuriant means healthy growing. Thickly growing plants. Okay, children? Plants also heavy. Big plants. Okay? For example, mahogany, ebony, these are the big plants are found in equatorial region. These are providing raw material for many industries also. Now, wildlife. In this area, abundance of wildlife. More animals are found in this area and variety of insects also found in this area. One more. Human life. About human life. In this area, human life is very hard to live. Human life is very hard. Why? Because thick forest, na? So, in this area, some tribal people only living. Bantu tribes, Kubu tribes, Java tribes. These members only living in this area. Okay? Now, about agriculture. Children, in this area people are practicing shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation means moving cultivation. Moving means in this area people are choose a patch of land and clear by burning. And they start growing crops in that area. Okay? So, few years only they are growing crops. Why? When the fertility of the land diminishes, people move to a new area. In that area, new area also, people choose a patch of land and clear by burning and then start growing crops. In that area also, some few years only, they will do this type of agriculture. Okay, children? This is about moving cultivation. And now, I am going to discuss about some important points from the lesson and multiple choice questions. Fill in the blanks. One word answers. Are you ready, my dear children? Okay. Take your textbook and pencil. Open page number 143. Okay, children? Shall we move? Children, this is your third lesson, Equatorial Forest. Now, I am going to explain about some important points from the lesson. The equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and lies on both sides of the equator. The equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and lies on both sides of the equator. The climate of the equatorial regions is hot throughout the year and the duration of days and nights are equal. The climate of the equatorial regions is hot throughout the year and the duration of days and nights are equal. A large variety of plants A large variety of plants are found in the equatorial region. Trees in equatorial forest grow in several layers. Trees in equatorial forest grow in several layers. The tribes found in these dense forests practice food gathering, hunting, and shifting agriculture. The tribes found in these dense forests practice food gathering, hunting, and shifting agriculture. Now, children, see, yes or no questions. You have to check this statement, yes or no. See, the equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and is cold and humid. Cold and humid? No. So, it is no. It is hot and humid. Throughout the year, it is hot and humid. The climate of the equatorial regions remains cold throughout the year. Throughout the year cold? No. This statement also wrong. Throughout the year hot. So this statement also no. Now third one. The equatorial forests are very useful. Yes. Equatorial forests are very useful. This statement is right. Yes. In the equatorial regions, animal life is found in abundance. Abundance means samruddhi. So, this statement also right. Bantu tribes are found in the Jair Basin. Yes, this statement also right. Let us practice in these multiple choice questions. First one. The equatorial forest lies in the dash zone. Here they give three options. You have to select the correct option. Temperate zone, frigid zone, torrid zone. Here right answer is torrid zone. The equatorial forest lies in the torrid zone. Second one. The equatorial region does not have dash season. Summer, winter, spring. What is the correct answer? The equatorial region does not have winter season. Third one. People in this region practice dash agriculture. Shifting, subsistence, commercial. Here correct option is shifting. People in this region practice shifting agriculture. Fourth one. Dash agriculture specialized in the production of a particular crop. Shifting, commercial, plantation. Shifting, commercial, plantation. Here correct option is plantation agriculture specialized in the production of a particular crop. Fifth one. The famous anaconda snakes are found in the Amazon basin, Guinea, Colombia. Which is the right option? The Amazon basin is the right answer. Now fill in the blanks. The equatorial rainforest lies between dash north and south of the equator. In this blank you have to write 0 degrees and 10 degrees. What is the answer? 0 degrees and 10 degrees. The equatorial rainforest lies between 0 degrees and 10 degrees north and south of the equator. Second one. Dash tribes are found in the Jair Basin. What is the answer here? Bantu. Bantu tribes are found in the Jair Basin. Third one. The equatorial trees have dash leaves and branches. The equatorial trees have, what is the answer here? Broad leaves and branches. Fourth one. Dash are found in the Jair Basin. Bantu tribes are found in the Jair Basin. Fifth one. There is dash growth of natural vegetation in the equatorial rainforest. There is luxuriant growth of natural vegetation in the equatorial rainforest. What is the answer here? Luxuriant. Sixth one. Dash and dash trees in the equatorial rainforest provide raw material for many industries. Here answers are ebony and mahogany. Ebony and mahogany trees in the equatorial rainforest provide raw material for many industries. Now, one word answers. Answer the following in one word. Rainfall is accompanied with the thunderstorms in the equatorial rainforest. Rainfall is accompanied with the thunderstorms in the equatorial rainforest. Answer is equatorial belt. Equatorial belt. The equatorial region is also known as torrid zone. The equatorial region is also known as torrid zone. An insect found in the equatorial region. Butterflies. An insect found in the equatorial region. Butterflies. An oxygen releasing plant in equatorial forest. Creepers, orchids. Fifth one. A crop grown as plantation crop in equatorial forest. Tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa. A crop grown as plantation crop in equatorial forest. Tea, coffee, rubber and cocoa. Okay children. This is about bit part of your lesson. So you have to complete all these blanks with the correct answers. So children, you have to read and write all these grammar part and you have to write hard words from your lesson. Okay children, let us meet again in the next class. Until then,